Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Lloyds mortgage account online. To log into your Lloyds mortgage account and manage your account online, the first thing to do is to open your preferred web browser. Inside the URL box, type in lloydsbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you get to the official site for Lloyds Bank, go to the Log On button at the top right corner and click on it. In order to access and manage your mortgage account, you'll first need to log into your internet banking account. If you don't have an internet banking yet, click on Register and follow through the on-screen instructions. For existing internet banking access, select whether you'd like to access a personal banking or a business banking and click on one of the options. Now, you will find yourself in the login area for Lloyds Bank Internet Banking. Type in your user ID in the first text box and head over to the next field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember your credentials, click on Forgotten your log-on details and follow through the instructions till the end. After filling in both of your credentials, click Continue and you will then be able to sign in to Lloyds Internet Banking account. After you are signed in, look for the mortgage option and from there you will be able to manage your mortgage. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.